In this video, I'll show you how to cast on LG TV. Step 1. Ensure compatibility. Make sure your LG TV and mobile device or PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. Casting features may be called Screen Share, Miracast, or AirPlay for iOS and macOS. Step 2. Use Screen Share for Android/Windows. Press Home on your LG remote. Find and open Screen Share app on your TV. On your mobile device or PC, select Screen Mirroring or Cast and choose your LG TV from the list. Step 3. Use AirPlay for Apple devices. On your LG TV, enable Apple AirPlay by going to Settings, then General, then Apple AirPlay Settings, and then Turn On. On your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open the Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and then select your LG TV. Step 4. Use Chromecast if supported. Open a Chromecast compatible app like YouTube on your mobile device. Tap the cast icon and select your LG TV if it appears or a connected Chromecast device. Step 5. Troubleshooting. Restart your TV and casting device if connection fails. Ensure devices are updated and on the same Wi-Fi. On some older LG TVs, an external casting device like Chromecast, Fire Stick, or Apple TV may be required. And that's how you cast on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. And I'll be very happy to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.